everyone. I'm Sachin Gupta, one of the co-founders of HackerEarth. HackerEarth provides online solutions that help you save time and cut cost in your technical recruitment process. Simply put, we help you hire this guy without spending too many dollars. If you look at the typical hiring process, it has 3 stages. Sourcing, where you create a pool of candidates. Filtering, where you narrow down this pool. And interviewing, where you make the final selections. The way this process is executed in the industry today is not only inefficient, but also time-consuming and expensive. To give you an idea, last year, 125,000 engineers were hired in the Indian IT industry. Corporates spent close to $15 million just on the filtering process. The cost of sourcing specialized engineers can sometimes be as high as $10,000. And if you take a look at the typical lead time from a candidate converting into a hire, it could go up to 2 months. If you sum all of this, the kind of money and time the industry is spending on hiring today is massive. Yet, technical hiring continues to pose a significant challenge to these companies. HackerEarth offers 2 solutions, HackerEarth Recruit and HackerEarth Source, to solve this problem. Recruit operates on the skill assessment layer and Source on the sourcing layer. HackerEarth Recruit is an online SaaS application that allows recruiters to quickly filter out candidates using online tests. If you look at the typical cost of filtering, let's say there's one job position for a company. On an average, they get 50 candidates for it. A technical recruiter spends around 4 to 5 minutes on one candidate, one resume filtering. Out of these 50, 15 are then go ahead for the next round of filtering. That's generally a telephonic interview call. So that's a total of 19 hours of your technical recruiter and technical team spent in the process. Taking a modest of $100 of your developer's time, that's close to $1,900 spent. With HackerEarth Recruit, you can do the same in just $100. So that's $1,800 in savings. Moving on to how programmers are hired, even today, programmers are sourced by searching a resume database. This process is bound to fail because a resume cannot give you an accurate measure of a technical skill set. HackerEarth Source is building the largest community of developers around the globe, where each developer is associated with a score. We construct this score based on two methods. One are the open code challenges that we conduct. Programmers come onto a platform, take these challenges, we assess their performance, and then grade accordingly. And the second is the developer profile that we make by collecting their online social coding data from sources like Stack Overflow, GitHub, Topcoder, and so on. So far, we have grown to a user base of 30,000 programmers, both from India and abroad. We have clients like Hindustan Times in Mobi. The campus placements are being powered by us. Some startups like CommonFlow, LiveText, Capillary. We're a small but passionate team of 5 people that includes 3 developers, 1 designer, and 1 sales and marketing guy. And we're backed by some of the most eminent angel investors in India. Thank you.